Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a DIY on the shelf back here in this video, and also showing you what touches of spring I have added to my decor. I don't do a whole lot as far as just spring goes. I do more for Easter, but I thought I would share just the color changes and the few touches that I added in. In this video, ignore my outfit. It's like really bad, mixing patterns, and I did not plan on filming this video this day, and it was just a lazy day, and I did not change clothes, and I did not realize how ridiculous I looked until after I looked back at the footage. So just ignore that. I also wanted to come on here and just thank Angie from Life and More Reloaded. I will have her channel linked below. She gave me a shout out in her 300 subscriber video, and that just means so much to me. When I seen it, well, my mom did too, but when we seen it, we just both teared up, because she did not have to do that. It was not discussed. She just done it on her own, and that was just so nice of her. And I love her channel and everything she does, and I really enjoy her content. So I'll have her link below. If y'all aren't subscribed to her or never heard of her channel, go visit it because you will love it. Anyway, I am going to stop rambling and get on with the video and let y'all listen to some music. Thank each and every one of you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.
surprised that you're feeling this way. I've long known that you're bothered by something. I don't believe that you're right when you say that we're better off this way. Guess it's true as my mother did say, you can't trust a soul that's been shattered. All those moments we shared face to face, was it all just a